Hello friends, myself Pratik, visiting professor, Lambda Lab, Tel Aviv University, Israel, professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Thapar University, Patiala, India. In this session, we are going to discuss various techniques to balance the dataset. Let us start this session. As discussed in our previous session, we have learned that our stroke dataset is quite imbalanced, as this dataset has output attribute as stroke. There are total 5111 records in this dataset, and this histogram shows that majority of these records with label 0. We have 4861 records with no stroke and only 250 records with stroke. Here we have two classes and the data is quite imbalanced. In this session, we are going to discuss various techniques to balance this kind of dataset. An imbalanced dataset is a dataset where classes are distributed unequally. And clearly, our stroke dataset is an imbalanced dataset. This imbalanced dataset can create lot of problems in classification task. In order to build accurate classifier, we should have a balanced data. It means we should have same number of records for each of the class. And in order to balance the dataset, we have three techniques. These are undersampling, oversampling, and creating the synthetic data. Let us discuss each of these techniques one by one. The first technique is called as undersampling, and this is very basic approach which states that delete the examples from the majority class to make them equal to the minority class, and this approach is called as undersampling. So you can clearly see that in undersampling we are suggesting to delete the examples of majority class to make it equal to the minority class. As in our example dataset, we have 4861 records in majority class, while we have only 250 records in minority class. So undersampling states that we have to remove the records from the majority class, that is 4861, so that it should become equal to 250. Means we have to only select 250 records from no stroke and delete all remaining records of no stroke. So in order to achieve this, we have to randomly select 250 no stroke record, which is a majority class in our case, to make these data points equal to stroke class. This way, both the classes will have 250 records, and this is the simple approach to balance the data. So if we delete the examples of the majority class to make it equal to the minority class, that approach is called as undersampling. The other approach is oversampling. Oversampling refers to resampling of the minority class data points to make it equal to the total number of majority points. As in our example, we have 250 records in minority class, while in majority class we have 4861 records. So oversampling means that we have to randomly generate more records for stroke class to make it equal to number of records for no stroke, that is 4860. The major task of oversampling technique is to generate more records for minority class by using repetition. This is also called as naive resampling. In this, we are not assuming anything about the data. We are generating the data points completely randomly. This makes oversampling a very simple and fast to implement approach. To make the repetition more logical, sometimes we can assign weights to the class. And random sampling is one such technique, where we choose a sample of observations from a population to make assumptions about the population, and it is also called as probability sampling. Random oversampling involves supplementing the training dataset with multiple copies of some of the minority class. Oversampling can be done more than once. For example, we can done it 2 times, 3 times, 5 times or 10 times. This is one of the earlier proposed method to balance the dataset. As discussed, instead of duplicating every sample in the minority class, some of them may be randomly chosen with the replacement. And this is also called as probability sampling. The third technique to balance the data is to generate synthetic data. Because the problem with repeating the data is that it does not provide any extra information. Here we are just repeating the existing records. So one way to increase the information is to generate the data synthetically. And for this, we use a technique called as SMOTE. SMOTE stands for Synthetic Minority Oversampling Technique. SMOTE creates synthetic data points for the minority class. It creates new instances between the data points of minority class. And in our stock dataset case studies, we are going to use random oversampling technique for balancing the dataset. In next session, we will discuss the code to perform random oversampling over stock dataset to make it balanced. This is all about this session. I request you to subscribe this YouTube channel to receive latest video tutorials on topics like data mining, machine learning, DBMS, big data, NoSQL and many more. I have created multiple online courses over Udemy platform. These courses are Simplified Approach to DBMS, Learn SQL in a Simplified Manner, Mastering PLSQL, Mastering Machine Learning, Genetic Algorithm for Machine Learning, and Association Mining for Machine Learning. You can explore these courses over Udemy platform to learn these concepts. I have also authored books on data mining and data warehousing, Simplified Approach to DBMS, NoSQL in a Day, Beginning with SQL and PLSQL for beginners. All these books are available at Amazon platform. To read more on this, you can refer my website prateekbhatia.com. I am also working on another book titled as Machine Learning with Python, Principles and Practical Techniques. Hopefully this book will be available to the readers by the end of this year. Thanks for watching this video.